Hey, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add your own music to Spotify using your local files. Now the steps are the same whether you're on your iPhone, computer or wherever. So first step would be is that you actually download the song that you want, or you can already have it prepared on your computer. Now you can use any YouTube converter, so YouTube video to MP3, you can use any converter for that. And once you are here, you need to open up settings, and here you will see your library, which is show local files. You need to make sure this is turned off, and if you don't have songs, by default this was turned on in the downloads on My Music, you can always add your source from wherever your music is located. And after that, under your library, you will see your local files, and you will see all of the songs you have added or have, and etc. And that's pretty much it. You can play them wherever you are. These are local files from your computer, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.